Welcome guys to my channel. In today's video tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet a Christmas tree applique. We will also crochet a small star to decorate the top of the tree. You can use this applique for a garland or to decorate your handmade project. Today I'm going to use 4.5 millimeters crochet hook and the yarn, medium weight yarn from Yarn Inspiration Bernard. Uh, so it is number 4 and a little bit of beige color of the same weight. So let's get started. Start with a slip knot and do not tighten it. We are going it to count as first chain, then chain 2, or in total chain 3. So you see, chain 3. Now make a yarn over and make 2 half double crochet into the first chain, and only now you can pull the tail and tighten this chain. Chain 1, turn. Now work 1 half double crochet in first stitch and then 2 half double crochet into the second stitch. And that's how we are going to make increases. Chain 1, turn. Now work 1 half double crochet in next 2 stitches and then 2 half double crochet into the last stitch. Chain 1, turn again. 1 half double crochet in next 3 stitches and then 2 half double crochet into the last stitch. Chain 1 again and turn. 1 half double crochet in next 4 stitches and now 2 half double crochet into the last stitch. Chain 1, turn. 1 half double crochet in next 5 stitches and then 2 half double crochet into the last stitch. So I hope it's clear. Make chain 1, turn, and again work 1 half double crochet in each stitch till the last one, then 2 half double crochet at the end, turn again. Continue working, making increases until you get in total 10 stitches in a row. So it will be 8 half double crochet and 2 at the end. Here I am. Chain 3, and now we will form branch bumps along the first side of the tree. I'm going to make a slip stitch in each row or just randomly. Chain 3 and slip stitch into the next space. So as you like. Chain 3 again, slip stitch. I don't like this one. Too big hole. Just let's insert the hook underneath both loops here and make a slip stitch. Chain 3 again. And slip stitch. Chain 3. Slip stitch. Chain 3. Slip stitch. Chain 3, slip stitch, and chain 3 and slip stitch to the top of the tree. So one side is ready. Now the top. Make chain 4 and slip stitch into the same space. Now chain 3, and here just look on the opposite side, somewhere here, insert the hook and make a slip stitch. Chain 3, the second bump here, slip stitch, chain 3, slip stitch. Please go on. At the bottom we are going to work, make chain 1 and we will work through the front loop only here. Chain 1, slip stitch, and repeat chain 1, slip stitch through the front loop of the next stitch. Chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, and so on. Through the front loop, chain 1, one more stitch here, slip stitch. Now cut the yarn. Pull this tail. Take yarn needle or tapestry needle, thread the tail and pull it to the wrong side. And you may weave in end right away. And cut. 3 is ready. Now for the trunk, take another color, brown or beige, and now we are going to find those back loops. So count 3 or 4, My trunk will consist of 5 stitches, so just look. 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Attach the tail, chain 1 and 1 single crochet into the same stitch, and then 1 single crochet in next 4 stitches through those back loops. So in total 5 single crochet. Chain 1, turn. Now work 1 single crochet in each stitch, in total 5. Chain 1 and 1 more row. Repeat row number 2. 1 single crochet, in each stitch. Okay? Cut and weave this one and this one. Okay, the tree is ready. Now the last step is Christmas star. Take another color. I'm going to use yellow one here. Start with magic ring and make 5 single crochet into the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull the tail and join with slip stitch to the first single crochet. Now we will crochet star points. Chain 1 and make a slip stitch into the same stitch as join. Then slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 1 and slip stitch into the same stitch, and repeat. Slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 1, slip stitch into the same stitch. Again, slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 1, slip stitch in the next. So 4, and for the last time, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch into the same stitch. And the star is ready. Cut the yarn, pull the tail, and now use those 2 tails to sew the button to the Christmas tree. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to like this video. If you're looking for written instruction, please check my blog. I wish you all the best in the coming year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.